As we can convert one unit of area to another unit of area, we can also convert one unit of volume to another unit of volume. In area, we double the zeros or we take square of both sides. In volume, we take cube of both sides. For example, if we have 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, when we will convert it into volume units, we shall take the cube of both sides and our 0 will be 3 times. That is 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Another unit of volume is 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter ml, and 1 liter is also equals to 1000 centimeter cube. And if we compare these two, our 1000 ml equals to 1000 centimeter cube, or in other words 1 ml is equals to 1 cm cube. Now for 1 kiloliter is equals to kiloliter, that's why we shall write 1000 liters is equals to 1 meter cube. This is another unit, that 1000 liter equals to 1 meter cube. To prove that, we shall start from here. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So we have just done 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So if we will go here, if we use these 3 zeros and instead of these 3 zeros we put liter here, so we will have 1 meter cube from here is equals to 1000 liter. That is 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter, and 1000 liter means 1 kiloliter. Another way to prove it is if we write 1000 liter is equals to 1000 ml, as 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml, then 1000 liter is 1000 ml. If we convert it as ml and centimeter cube are same, and when we have 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So when we will go from centimeter cube to meter cube, as we have to go to a bigger unit, we have to divide it with 6 zeros. When we shall divide it with 6 zeros, definitely the 6 zeros in the numerator will cancel the 6 zeros in the denominator, and you will be having, when you will convert it into meter cube, you will be having 1 meter cube, that is 1000 liter is equals to 1 meter cube. Now we have to convert 10 meter cube into centimeter cube and ml. The answer will be same, as centimeter cube and ml are same. 1 meter and 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 ml. So both answers will be same. So we can convert in one and take the same answer for the second. 10 meter cube in centimeter cube. Simple, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. When we will take the cube, we will take the zeros 3 times to convert it into centimeter cube. It's already 10. So when it is 10 and we are going towards a smaller unit, so our zeros will be, instead of 6, we will have 7 zeros in our answer. And this is the same answer for the milliliter. 7 zeros. Now another example, 165,000 centimeter cube in meter cube and in liters. Okay, the relation between meter cube and centimeter cube is of 6 zeros. It's better if you write 3 zeros at the same time. So you can say it's 1000. Okay, now when you are going from smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. So you have to divide basically this number with 6 zeros. As you can see, 3 zeros will be directly cancelled. Rest of the 3 zeros will convert it into a decimal number, and your answer will be 0.165 meter cube. Or in other words, when you will convert it into meter cube, you will directly move towards the left side 6 units. Why you are going 6 units? Because the relationship is of 6 zeros. And why you are going towards the left side? Because you are going to a bigger unit. So your answer will be 0.165. Now we have to convert into liters. The relation between liter and centimeter cube, 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml or 1000 centimeter cube. Milliliter and centimeter cube are the same. Okay. So now you have to convert to a bigger unit. 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. You have to convert into a bigger unit. So you will divide this number again with 3 zeros. Or in other word, 165 liters is your answer. Or you can convert it towards a bigger unit by taking decimal towards the left side 3 units. So your final answer is 165 liters. Few more examples. 4 meter cube into centimeter cube. From meter cube to centimeter cube we are going towards a smaller unit. So we shall move 6 digits towards the right side, 4 along with 6 zeros. You are going towards the smaller unit, your decimal will move 6 digits towards the right side. Centimeter cube to meter cube, you are moving towards a bigger unit, so you will divide with 6 zeros. From here you will, when divide with 6 zeros, your decimal will be here and your answer will be 0.25. The last example for you, centimeter cube to liter. The relation is 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So when you will move, from which side you are moving right now? You are moving towards the liter. So when we move towards the liter, we have to divide, and when we shall divide with 3 zeros, our answer will be 2.56.